Welcome to Heantun Point, where contemporary student living meets urban comfort in the heart of Wolverhampton. Discover a stylish range of modern and comfy en-suites, each featuring a cozy bed for a restful night's sleep, ample storage space for all your gear, and a dedicated study desk and chair to meet your academic deadlines with ease. But wait, there's more. Dive into a vibrant community featuring a stylish communal lounge, perfect for socializing. Unwind in the exclusive cinema room for movie nights with pals. Stay fit in the modern fitness suite with top-of-the-line equipment. At Heantun Point, every moment is an adventure waiting to happen. Conveniently located near the University of Wolverhampton, your academic journey is just moments away. Satisfy your palate at Rodeos, or grab a quick bite at Chicoro's, Wolverhampton. With public transport options like Culwell bus station literally at your doorstep, commuting is a breeze. Don't miss out on your ideal student living experience at Heantun Point. Visit amberstudent.com today to secure your spot and embark on a new chapter of urban student living in Wolverhampton.